Welcome back, guys, to K&A's Family Homestead. Today we have special updates. No, I have not been consistent. Things been totally busy. We've been having projects that we've been planning. Holidays around the corner. It's getting cold, so yes, sorry, I haven't been putting up any vlogs or any content that's been happening. So today we're gonna talk about our updates and what we got here at our homestead. For starters, Flemish Giant. We actually picked up, and let's see if we can actually get a picture of her. Right? She is very beautiful. She is going to be our breeder. We're planning on getting another female, and actually 2 females, 1 male. That's gonna be the setup. So yeah, those are my little duckies. We have 3 new ones. If you see, you can tell which one we just got. And I mean, it's incredible. Since I got ducks in the beginning, they're so unique and different, and just it's so peaceful when you just watch them, and how they're so different, so definitely. But yeah, these are the 3 new arrivals for our ducks, and yes, they are beautiful. Okay, so yes, more chickens, 20 more chickens to add to my flock. I know a lot of people's like, wow, more chickens? Yeah, why not? They all lay eggs. It's a good production for source of of food. So why not? Now, when I got the chickens, they, in order to migrate them with my flock, you have to do it slowly, because they're real kind of, how you want to say that, territorial, so they kind of peck at the new guys. So we have to weave them in slowly. But before I even did that, I did a whole check on them, make sure they're healthy, and will be able to not harm my flock. And I did find 2 to 3 hens that had mites. For those who don't know what mites are, they are parasites that feed on chickens. So yeah, so that is getting taken care of. We are, getting them all cleared up. So in the next 2 weeks, I will definitely be able to migrate them all together. But yes, they're beautiful. They're a good source, and I love it. All right, guys. Well, this is it. I will definitely be posting on some projects coming up. All right.